Hey there, people. How's it going? All right. Well, what I'm going to be talking to you about today is the Sharpie markers. And I got the blue kind here. I use these all the time in my line of work and at home. Sharpies are a very, very good marker. They're permanent marker and they write on just about any surface, and it works very well, and they are precise. And what I like about them is this kind of Sharpie marker. I mean, because there's several different ones, but this kind specifically, you see how it's sharp at the tip and fat on the sides, like at an angle. Yeah, I like that a lot, because a lot of times I need to point straight down at something and write something in kind of like a fine tipped way, like not really that thick, and I can do that with this. But I can also, after I've done that, whatever it is, I can also tilt this to the side at the angle and use the angled fat part to actually go across and either write like a big thick straight line, or I can do like almost like a calligraphy thing where it will, make like nice rounded shapes if I'm doing lettering or something like that. These are really, really good. And what I like a lot about them also is if you leave them out like this with the cap off of it, it won't dry up as fast as some markers that I have tried have. I mean, these will, if you leave this, like say overnight, when you try to use it again in the morning, you're going to have some problems. But you can revive it again. I mean, if it's all dried out and you just write and write and write, more and more the ink will come down and you can revive it again. But they don't dry out as fast, in my opinion, as other markers that I've seen on the market. Sharpie has been around for a long time, and I've used them for a long time for various reasons at my job and at home, like I said. They work very well, and most people that I know have used these and swear by them. The pack that I got is the 12 pack, and I don't have the experience of actually needing to replace these because they don't run out really fast. I mean, you can use like this one will work for a long time. I mean, like months and months, it'll be just fine, The reason why I bought 12 is because I tend to lose them. For some reason, I misplace them all the time. I sit them down and, so I know I'm going to lose them. So I always need to replace with another one, and I do. So, yeah, I prefer blue. Over black. I actually have black and I use the black one, but they come in several different colors. They even come in red. They come in green. They also come in, I said, black. Yeah, these Sharpies have been out for a long time, and I swear by them. They're really good. Now, you want to keep these away from kids and, mainly kids, because the smell of a Sharpie is not that strong. It's not like one of those fat markers, but kids can do some bad things with the Sharpie scent. But yeah, it can get them dizzy and stuff, and you should not have it around too many young children. Yeah, but that's another good thing about Sharpie, is that it doesn't smell really strong like those really fat markers that you get, those real fat black ones, but you can smell it a little bit. Yeah, they work very well, and I've been using them a long time, and they're good. They're really good. permanent, really permanent. Almost too permanent. I mean, if you get it on your hands, it takes a while to get it off. You need to use like some special scrubbing stuff to get it off. But yeah, Sharpies, they are really good and I like them a lot. All right, we've been talking about the Sharpie markers, the blue color. I hope you guys use this information and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.